Morning, everybody. It's 9:04 a.m. on this Wednesday, the 4th, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2238. Okay, so Asia and Europe are lower on yesterday's action, and the chart on the screen is the oil. And as you can see, we solidly broke the $72 area. I was talking about the fact on over the weekend on the weekly chart that all we could do was rally back into support and then close on the low. Yesterday we fell right through those bottoms. So, this 200-week moving average was in effect for actually several years from the time that it excuse me, from the time that it went through to the upside way back here in the $53 range, and that was back in early January of 2021. So we're back to support again. I think that going back to the daily, I'll show you where I think we could end up, and that would be a test of this $68 area. We were down as low as 69.19 this morning or overnight. And, this is with tremendous amounts of global risk in the Mideast. We have OPEC, no increase, a slight increase over the next year of 1 million barrels. But of course, there are cheaters, and we are producing at all-time highs. So, this is kind of a mishmash. Okay, the trade balance was negative 78.8. It was expected to be 79.1, so a little bit better. And that idiot Steve Leisman talking about how, well, we're importing more than we're exporting, and so the consumer must be in good shape. Well, the consumer is not in good shape. And overnight, or this morning, we had earnings from Dollar Tree, which mirrored the earnings from Dollar General from last week. They missed. They missed by 37 cents. They missed on revenue. They guided below consensus. Fiscal year below consensus. Revenues for the fiscal year below consensus. And the stock is $72.35, and that's down $9.30 or 11.4%. And that says that the consumer, even at the low end, is having problems. We had the mortgage applications index up 1.6%, really not much after last week's 0.5% rise. We have the July factory orders and the July Jolts, the job openings, being released at 10 a.m. JW Nordstrom, JWN, the family is offering $23 a share in cash for the stock. It's currently trading around 22.5. It hasn't really done much, but let's remember that this same Nordstrom family offered $40 the last time and $48 the time before that for this company, none of which they could actually get financing for. So NVIDIA down another couple of bucks, Salesforce down $1 and change, buying an AI-powered voice agent called Tenix. Dick's Sporting Goods beats by 51 cents. The stock is $234.90, up 278. Hormel beat but missed on revenues, 31.73. That's down $1.41. Zscaler beat on revenues. The stock guided below consensus and is paying the price. ZS is 161.82. That's down 31.37 or 16%. And GitLab's beat on revenues. It's 50.40, up 5.72. As far as the market goes, the futures were lower at 8 o'clock, lower by 63. At 8:30, lower by 82. let's see, currently the S&P is lower by 17. It was down around 19. The Dow is now down 60, so that's an improvement from down 82. The NASDAQ is down 113. That is a recovery from down 132, but none of this really makes a lot of difference. You know, we can have a bounce in here, but you know, this is a seasonally weak time. I've been talking about it. We're overvalued. You know, you have companies like NVIDIA losing 300 million in market cap in the last couple of days. You know, these are big numbers. And also one more from yesterday, ASND, that's Ascendis Pharmaceutical. It was yesterday 110, down 28 on a miss, or down 20%. This morning it's 114, that's up $4, and that's up about just under 4%. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It's a tough market, and I think even with a rally, a little bit of a relief rally up yesterday, we're still going lower.